Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up and where to find a color filter shortcut in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. First, where are the options for our color filter in this phone? Settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here and visibility enhancements. Our color filter by default is turned off. If we turn it on, as you can see, we can change it quite a bit, but we are looking for a shortcut. So, color filter shortcut is right here. We can change how it's turned on, but we have this little button in bottom right corner for now. So, if we tap this little shortcut, our filter will turn on or off. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.